Well, hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Y'all see I got the nails taken off. It has been prepped and everything, so we're ready for a new set, but we're first going to start with the toes, okay? So you'll notice I only have 4 toes. The 5th toe is a little wonky, so I just paint that myself. Okay, so first we're going to go in. This is the polish that we're going to use, Melody Susie. It says purple, but it's almost like a shimmery, mauvish, purplish type of color. See that? It's so pretty. Alright, so we're going to get started with buffing the shine off of these nails. I've already taken the shine off the underside of them, but we're going to take it off the top so we can have a better adhesion to that gel. Alright, so let's watch this. Alright, so now we have our base gel. As any nail, we're going to start off with that thin layer of the base gel. That's going to always be our first layer to any nail that we do here on the pink side. Alright, so now it is time for our first layer of the purple. And what I like to do is I like to put a little bit on my palette because I'm working with some small nails. So I don't want that layer to be thick. Pretty. Alright y'all, this is 3 layers of that purplish color on the nails, and that is absolutely gorgeous. So now we're going to go in with some nail art. We're going to keep it simple this week because your girl had to go to the emergency room, and yeah, it wasn't pretty, but I got it together. So we're going to get back on topic. Alright, we're going to go to with some matte top coat on this big nail. I'm only going to do a design on the top nail. Okay, we're going to cure that matte top coat for 60 seconds, and then we're going to go in with this white paint gel that's really pretty. This is also how I make my French tips, and we're going to use this very thin liner brush. And that's gonna, and I want to go with a zebra type effect on this nail. Alright, so now we're going to use a glitter top coat from Model Wands to top this big nail, and it's just going to bring the entire set together. Alright, so I'm going to put a thin layer to coat that top. I'm going to cure it for 60 seconds, and this will be the set done. You're going to see me. I'm going to apply the nails, and you're going to see it all done. And alright, here is the finished toenail set for this time. Y'all, you see my little pinky is a little wonky, okay? But I got it together. Thank y'all so much for watching. Y'all be blessed. Bye-bye now.